Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In my today's class, we are going to learn about paragraph writing. And in this class, we shall be looking at the meaning of a paragraph, describe the elements of a paragraph, and explain the structure of a paragraph. So this class covers the meaning, the fundamentals and essentials of a paragraph writing, and the basic structure of the paragraph as presented below. So I want us to begin by looking at the definition of a paragraph. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences organized around a fundamental topic. A paragraph is a unit of writing in a larger body of work. It expresses a particular topic or theme. A paragraph can also be said is a component of imaginary prose and non-imaginary writings. How do we write a paragraph? If you want to write a good paragraph, you are required to know the four important fundamentals or elements of a paragraph writing. Writers are also required to understand how each element contributes to the whole paragraph. The purpose of a paragraph is to express a writer's thoughts on a particular issue in a precise, concise, and unique way that is specific to that paragraph. Paragraphs should not mix thoughts or ideas. When a new idea is introduced, it is expected that a writer introduces a new paragraph. I would also want us to look at the four elements of a paragraph writing. The four elements of paragraph writing are: 1. Unity. The unity in a paragraph begins with the topic sentence. Every paragraph has one single and controlling idea that is expressed in its topic sentence, which is the first sentence of a paragraph. Number 2, order. Order refers to the way supporting sentences is organized. A solid paragraph always has a definite organization, whether a chronological order, order of importance, or another logical presentation of detail is chosen. Number 3, coherence. Coherence means the quality that makes writing understandable to readers. Constructed sentences within a paragraph require connecting to each other and working together as a whole. And finally, the last element is completeness. The word completeness means a paragraph is well developed. This is achieved when all sentences clearly and satisfactorily support the main ideas. At this juncture, I want us to look at the basic paragraph structure. A basic paragraph structure consists of 5 sentences. These are: 1, the topic sentence; 2, 3 supporting sentences; and 3, a concluding sentence. A secret to a paragraph writing lies with 4 fundamental elements mentioned above. If these elements are used properly, then paragraphs can be said to be good. Remember, a good body paragraph should have the following 3 parts. These are: 1, topic sentence. The first sentence of the body paragraph is known as the topic sentence. This introduces the topic of the paragraph. A good topic sentence should be broad enough to allow for explanation, but narrow enough and should not be too long. Number 2 is the supportive sentences. These are the sentences that lies between the topic sentence and the concluding sentence. The supporting sentences is said to support the topic sentence. They explain and elaborate the points or ideas of the paragraphs. And lastly, the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence is the last sentence in a paragraph. It should briefly end the paragraph and change to the next paragraph if it is suitable. And lastly, I want us to look at a question and ask ourselves a question. How long should be a paragraph? To answer this, we need to have some few comments. There should be no set length to a paragraph. Some paragraphs are only one sentence in length. Number 2, paragraphs should be long enough to express any given idea. That is to say, it should be long enough to meticulously explain the topic sentence. 3, research papers may require to have paragraphs that are 10 sentences or longer. And lastly, the overall topic of the writing and content normally determines the length of a paragraph. So that marks the end of our class today, and we have been looking at paragraph writing. Thank you.